Hello everyone! In this lesson, we will apply what we learned in previous lessons and gradually introduce you to graphic design. In this lesson, we will try to create an Adidas logo together. First, let's add our reference image to the scene. To do this, go to the top menu and select File Place. Choose our reference image and place it on the screen. You can also drag and drop the image from the desktop. After the image is added to the scene, you will see an X mark indicating that the image is not fully embedded. To fully embed the image into the scene, select Embed from the top menu. Now the image is fully embedded into the scene. We will adjust the image opacity slightly to about 30% to make it easier to work with the logo. We lock the logo so that it doesn't move accidentally while we work. To do this, select the logo and press Ctrl+2 on the keyboard. Now the logo is locked and will not move. First, I zoom in to examine the scene more closely. I am creating a simple and minimal logo consisting of 3 rectangles on the image. I will use 3 different rectangles to create this logo. This step will form the main part of the logo and lay the foundation for the design. Now we will draw the logo. To do this, select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle in the shape of the logo. Currently, the rectangle has no fill color or stroke color. We will set the stroke color and fill color again using the Control Panel or Properties menu. The stroke is the line color, which should be black. After selecting the color, align the bottom line of the rectangle with the reference logo. Now, click on the anchor point you want to activate and drag it to the desired location. Using the anchor point tool, we soften the corners of the shapes and adjust the logo's form. Press Alt to copy the object. We will now move the top points downward. This time, we will select both points at the same time. To do this, hold down the Shift key and select both points, then drag them downward. Object is also ready. For the third shape, switch back to the V selection tool, select the shape to copy, and then use Alt to duplicate it. Holding down Shift will ensure that the shape and position remain unchanged. Press the Shift key again to select the 2 points and drag them down. The last object is ready. Select all the shapes and set the fill color. Choose a blue color to fill the shapes. Then, select the object we locked and delete it, leaving only the logo we created on the screen. That's it. We have created a simple Adidas logo. You can also easily create such logos with practice and start graphic design. See you in the next lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thank you.